Hello everyone, I'm itstiamichelle and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I get my locks, my super thick locks, up into a high ponytail. Because if you have thick locks like me, then you struggle just like me to get it up into a ponytail. Especially when you're using like little scrunchies like these, you end up with them breaking like this. Like I have plenty of them like this when trying to put all of my locks up into a ponytail. So I'm gonna show you how I put my locks into a high ponytail. And the only thing you're gonna need is some type of string. Just like a long string like this. And this string actually came out of one of my bonnets that I had. So, but you can use whatever string you want or whatever string that you have. So yeah, show you how I put my locks up into a high ponytail. The first what I'm gonna do is put my hair back. Y'all, my locks are getting so long. Like they are getting so long and just growing. And I'm so happy. So I'm just gonna first section out, put this back first because I wanna leave these two hanging down, but you don't have to do that. For your high pony, you can just put all your locks up, but I'm gonna do that, and I'm going to use a little bit of this locking gel right here, just to kind of put on my roots, because I'm gonna retwist this down because as you can see, I don't have a fresh retwist. It's actually been 2 months since my last retwist, so yeah, and I usually go like up to 10 weeks, sometimes like 12 weeks, like 3 months between retwists. Like I don't get them, you know, frequently, because the more you get your hair retwisted, you know, they become brittle and then they become weak, and then before you know it, you can have locks falling out. So you don't want that. So I highly suggest definitely going at least 8 weeks. If you can stand the new growth and, you know, your locks not being retwisted freshly, definitely go like at least 8 weeks, but as long as you can hold out. But anyways, so I'm just twisting this here, and then I'm gonna pin it. It's like a single prong clip. Just pin it so that it's not sticking out like it is now. Just retwist it down. And then I'm just gonna keep them on there for the amount of time that it takes me to put my hair up. Which this technique, I promise you guys, is so super easy and it's super quick. Like, I'm a simple girl. I like simplicity, so whatever I do, especially when it comes to my hair, is gonna be simple. Okay. So again, you're just gonna need like a long, any kind of string, and you can use like a scarf, like one of those long skinny scarves. It works the same, and you may need bobby pins. So first what you want to do is, I'm gonna turn to the side. What you want to do is just, you know, push all of your locks. First of all, I'm gonna spread. First of all, I probably shouldn't be using this on my hair, but I'm going to anyway, just to get some sheen. This is the ISO Plus oil sheen with coconut oil. I'm telling you guys, it makes your hair really shiny. So I'm just spread a little bit. And in the front, just to give it some sheen. It's time for me to shampoo my locks anyway, so I don't mind using these products. Because I have shorter locks in the back, I'm gonna go ahead and pin those in the back, which is like a regular bobby pin. So I'm pushing towards the front. And then I'm just pinning it where it gets short. And if all your locks are the same, you don't, of course you may not have to do this. to the front. So then you take your string, place it at the bottom of your neck, and then pull the two ends to the front. And you want to make sure that they're even. And then you're just going to crisscross it in the front, and then pull it to the side. And then you want to go ahead and start pushing up the bottom of the string. So just push it up, just like that. And then while you're pushing it up, you want to pull tight. And just continue to push it up until you get the string to where you want your high pony to be. And then keep pushing up. And I still just have it crisscrossing the front. That's it. And pulling and pulling. Like this. And pushing up. And be sure to leave the front even. And as you pull the string like this, it tightens your ponytail. Oh. Crisscross. And I think I want my ponytail to be right here. So now what I'm going to do is pull the string. So try to keep them even. Pull the string to the back of your locks. Pull it to the back. And then crisscross, just like that. And that's what I did in front, and held it like this. So once you get your ponytail like to where you want it at, then crisscross it in the back. And then go ahead and pull the string back to the front. Now, for me, because like I said, I have shorter locks in the back, they won't go all the way up this high. It's easier to go ahead and pin it first rather than putting your locks in the pony first, because they're just gonna keep falling. So make sure you just pin it first, but if you can get them to stay, then that's good. Once you have it to where you want it, see, it fell. You wanna just keep crisscrossing it until it gets short, and then tie it. I'm just tie a knot right here. And then just keep wrapping it around. And see this side, like here is short. All you wanna do is just pin it into the string, the ponytail, so that it's not like hanging out. And see this side is longer, so I'm just gonna wrap it. So just remember to try to keep them as even as possible. So I'm just gonna wrap it around. And then once it's stopped, let's take another pin and pin it. And so I have two pins over here. I'm gonna actually put a pin on this side too, so that it doesn't come out as well. But you don't have to take that step, but I'm going to. All right. So now, since we have this one that fell out, I'm gonna go ahead and pin it back up. And you want to make sure that you stick your pins like inside or underneath another lock so they're not like sticking out. Once you're done, your ponytail, you should get your ponytail like this, and then you want to go ahead and just kind of section it out how you want. And I'm actually going to go ahead and take these out. This was just so that they could be flat to my head. So go ahead and just play with the ends of your locks Like I said, to get them how you want them, you may have to add more pins, do whatever, but just go ahead and play with it to your liking. But yes, this is how I get my thick locks into a high pony. And again, like if you have a scarf, it works just the same. Like one of those long scarves. And just play with them. Get the shape that you want. Okay, so again, you just want to play with your ponytail to get it to the shape that you like. Yeah, so again, if you have thick locks and you struggle with getting them into a high ponytail, I use these and then they end up breaking like this. I definitely recommend getting some form of string. Just make sure it's like long enough, but any string you have will definitely work. And again, you will be able to get all of your locks into a high pony. I'm going to turn around just so you can see where I got my ponytail at. So this is the side and the back. So I kind of like, this is like a really high pony. Like I would never be able to do this with one of those scrunchies. So I kind of ended it right there. Here's the other side. So yeah, I really hope, like if you have thick locks and you want to wear your hair in a ponytail, you try this technique, and I really hope it works out for you. If you have any advice for me, definitely leave them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.